So you've installed PowerToys and now you want to use the text extractor feature. Well, it does come in handy when you have to select text like this Wednesday that you see written here, which, well, I clearly can't select with my mouse. Or if you're looking through images and want to select text written in the image, well, how do you select that? You use the text extractor tool. Now, the first thing before you start using the tool is to fire up PowerToys, make sure that the text extractor module is enabled and that you know what the shortcut is. So as you can see right here, I've got the text extractor module enabled, and if I click on it, you can see it's a convenient way to copy text from anywhere on your screen. And this means anywhere. You can even copy UI element texts, anything that is on your screen can be copied. Just make sure that this is enabled. You remember the activation shortcut because this can be modified. So if you have trouble remembering the Windows Shift T shortcut, you can go ahead and change it to your liking. And then there's the preferred language. So make sure you go ahead and you select your one. Text Extractor can only recognize languages that have their OCR pack installed. So you can click on this link to learn more about supported languages and how you can get their respective OCR packs. But when it comes to setting up, this is pretty much everything that you need to do. Once this is all up and ready to go, we can close PowerToys. And now if I press Windows Shift and T, I should see an interface like this pop up. Now, this shows me my language. This shows format result as a single line. So some formatting options. If you're copying a table, you can format the result as a table. And then there are settings which will then just launch the text extractor window. So now, how do we copy text from this? Well, easy enough. You click the shortcut, you press the shortcut, you select whatever format option you want, and then you just drag a bounding box around whatever text you want to copy. And that's it. The text has been moved to your clipboard. So if I go ahead and open up a notepad file and bring it on this monitor, paste the text there, as you can see, we have the text that we just copied right here. How to combine text and image in e-learning design. Let's try with some other image, which is a little bit difficult. Do keep in mind that this will not always work. So there is a chance that if you use an image like this, for example, it may not be able to detect the text very correctly. The OCR can be really hit and miss depending on what you're using to scan the text for. So I'll click this format a single line, draw my box, and I don't think this is seeing any text at all. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and close this. So this is what I'm talking about. Like, for example, clearly written text is the best thing that you can do, because I can open it up, select the one line, draw the box around the text, and then this disappears, which means if I come back here, press enter and then press Ctrl V, here we are. Hawaii has been copied from that image. And that's really all there is to the text editor. If you're trying to copy tables, so let's say I'll just quickly search for images with tables, and not these tables. Okay, multiplication tables, fine. I think we'll just go ahead with that. All right, this looks good. Okay, so this is a table of squares that I'm copying. So what I'm going to do is press Windows Shift and T once again, select the table option, come down and select this entire table. So it has been copied, but I don't think this is going to look very good on the notepad. Regardless, I'm just going to try once again, and here we are. So as you can see, this has been copied exactly how it shows in the image there with the table format. Now if I close this, open Google Docs, and let's see if Google Docs can do something for us. So I open up a blank document and I paste this here. Okay, so we didn't get the bounding lines, but we did get the data copied exactly as you would want to see in a table. Now obviously formatting between what you end up copying and what you end up picking up from the image or from whatever UI element that you're using this on can vary, but this in highlight is how you use the text extractor tool from Microsoft PowerToys. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and if these videos don't help you out as much, do consider getting a membership, and we'll see you in the next video.